Hello, I will now show you how to download and install WordPress on your server in just 1 minute. It's very easy, so let's go. Get WordPress, wordpress.org, download it and upload it to your server. I'm like on my site now, my test site, and this is the public folder, the home folder. So upload it. Extract the files. It's extracting inside the folder, so you will need to move the files back. Take the files, go back to your home folder and paste them here. So I'm gonna delete the files I just created, the upload file and the empty WordPress file. And we're good to go. So now if you visit your site, you can see the installation setup process. So let's do it. Database name, username, and password. So let's take the password. This is your database username, and this is your database password. So the database host should be localhost on like 99%. Leave the prefix like this, and let's go. Run the installation. You can change all this info later. And install. Very easy. Login. And we're good to go. Delete all the dummy content. And we are ready. Next thing, we will add themes. And I will show you everything you need to know about WordPress on my channel. So if you want to know more, just subscribe.